If the great outdoors is calling you this summer, we're going to help you enjoy the journey without all the heat. We'll walk you through the benefits of a tent air conditioner, what to look for as you shop for the best model, and what you can really expect when you hit the trail with your camping AC. There are many products available to choose from best camping air conditioner, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best camping air conditioner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SereneLife SLPAC8 Portable Air Conditioner. The SereneLife SLPAC8 is our top overall choice for a portable AC unit for a number of reasons. For starters, it's actually an air conditioner, unlike many of the products on the market that serve more as a personal fan. With a 10,000 BTU rating, it has the power to cool a multi-person tent that's up to 225 square feet of space. Plus, it has a fan mode, which is suitable for smaller tents or milder days. Even when this outdoor AC is cooling on high, it's very quiet. While we love the cooling power that comes with this unit, there are a few drawbacks. This unit requires 120 V of power. If your campsite doesn't offer a power source, you'll need a generator to use this device. Weighing in at 53 pounds and standing 27 tall, this unit isn't as portable as some of the other options. Number 2. EMACOOL 5000 mAh Evaporative Air Cooler. If you're in the market for a small, lightweight personal air conditioner, try the EMACOOL 5000 mAh Evaporative Air Cooler. This portable unit comes with a rechargeable battery that's supported by USB charging, so you don't have to worry about finding an electrical outlet while camping. At under 3 pounds, this unit is small but mighty, offering an instant cool down. Choose from the 3 wind speeds and 3 mist modes, both with a separate control. Use the one-touch timer to select a run time of 1 to 8 hours. When the battery is fully charged, you can enjoy the max cool setting for up to 7 hours. The water reservoir holds about 27 ounces and is easy to refill, even while it's in use. This personal unit is a solid investment for anyone camping in a 1 to 2 person tent. While we love the EMACOOL 5000 mAh Evaporative Air Cooler for its ease of use and convenience, it's not ideal for cooling off a large space. Number 3. Black Plus Decker BPA-CT08WT Portable Air Conditioner. The entire family can cool off with the Black Plus Decker BPA-CT08WT Portable Air Conditioner. This unit offers great cooling power for a multi-person tent up to 150 square feet. At nearly 53 pounds and 26 tall, it's larger than some of our other top picks, but the cooling power is worth it if you have space to give up inside your tent. While the unit is super simple to put together and start using, the cooling capacity does come with a couple of drawbacks. You'll need a power source of 120 V or a generator for this unit to work. Plus, it operates with a single exhaust hose, so you may need to modify your tent to accommodate for the accessory. Once you're connected and powered on, let them cool down and begin. This unit can be managed with a remote control, giving you easy access to its 3 energy-efficient functions: cool, fan, and dehumidify. Use the 24-hour timer to set the tent AC to your needs. Number 4. ZeroBreeze Mark II Battery-Powered Portable Air Conditioner. The best and only true camping air conditioner on the market is the ZeroBreeze Mark II. It is specifically designed for portability, outdoor use, and effective cooling that has a 2300 BTU rating. The only reason this unit didn't snag our best overall tent air conditioner spot is the price tag. The cooling power is impressive, especially considering the device is only about 17 pounds and 20 long. We especially love that this is a battery-powered unit and can easily go anywhere. The batteries have a lifespan of about 5 hours, so we recommend purchasing multiple battery packs, so you can extend the cool-down experience. Personalize your comfort by choosing the best setting from the unit's 4-speed fan, super cold AC mode, or sleep mode. The ZeroBreeze Mark II uses a dual hose exhaust to pull in cool air and release humid air from your tent. Number 5. Evapolar EvacHill Portable Air Cooler. We'll end this review with a couple of mini units that you can check out if the behemoths above seem like a bit much to you. First off is the Evapolar EvacHill, an evaporative cooler that only weighs 1.6 pounds. Before diving in, it's good to know how evaporative coolers work and how they differ from the other products mentioned above. In all of the other portable AC units we've talked about, the compressor is used to remove heat energy from the air. While evaporative coolers work similarly, the process is very different, making use of wet foam or fiberglass to absorb heat from the air. As such, you'll need to fill the unit with water in order for it to work. This style of an air cooler isn't nearly as effective as a compressor, but they're much cheaper and more portable. You can plug them into a portable power bank, and they don't require much energy to operate, making them ideal for folks who want to travel light. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.